Let's take a look at what's going on with the forecast because things are going to be changing on us. Temperatures are going to be falling. Now, keep in mind it will be considerably colder south than it will be north. The warmest area is expected to be downwind of Lake Erie. That's Lake and Ashtabula counties. Otherwise, we are anticipating temperatures to fall back into the 20s. There are a few little showers moving in. This is our next wave that will be setting up, and we are likely to see that southwest wind beginning to trigger more and more of a lake fetch right along the lake shore. So we could see a band developing here just offshore, and then there are some forecast ideas that may come in this evening, and then we're going to do it all over again by the time we start the day tomorrow. Current temperatures are in the upper 30s, but once you factor in the brisk winds, it drops our wind chills back into the 20s. Yes, wind chills back in the vernacular as those southwest winds are quite brisk out of there. Southwest is the big key because once we have those winds come around to the west and then northwest, look, they're just off to the west of us at this point. We will see that lake effect triggered, and that will really start to fire things up a little bit. You can see that north wind driving out of Canada. That is that cold air that will be reinforced then as we head through Saturday afternoon. So that little wave that's behind that or ahead of that north wind, that is the one that's going to develop into a widespread snow midday tomorrow before we see more lake effect. Have I completely confused everyone? Because if I have, let's back it up. Let's do an hour by hour outlook. We do have some scattered snow showers that will be developing now. This is that little shower that I showed you west. This is going to start to develop more and more into snow as temperatures continue to cool. Southwest winds continue to be about 15 to 20 as we head through the midnight hour. Here's that idea where we start to pick up the possibility of a lake band forming coming in. That one will kind of do its thing, move out, and then this one begins to develop just offshore tomorrow morning. This is the one that becomes more of a key because as the morning goes on, that wind will really start to converge and develop this widespread band of snow that's expected to drop south through the primary and the secondary snow belt. Notice farther south, Mansfield, Worcester, Dover, you folks aren't getting that snow, but you may have flurries with the cloud cover and also very brisk winds. So you'll be colder, but that lake effect snow then expected to continue in the primary and even the possibility of the secondary snow belts as we head through the evening into the overnight. How much? Well, all depends on where you are, but the primary snowbelt areas, that's where we're still going with that 1 to 4 possibility, but we could see maybe some 5 slushy 6s, but I think the 6s are going to be out in Pennsylvania. So for the most part, if you're in the primary snowbelt, here you go. If you're in the secondary snowbelt, it's something to keep an eye on. If you're outside of the snowbelts, enjoy the flurries. Universal Windows Direct Forecast has the temperatures in the mid-30s tomorrow. Bundle up. Oh, good chilly day. 40 on Sunday with a mix of clouds and sun. Low 40s Monday. And then Tuesday, that's that East Coast storm system. It looks like we could have accumulating snow heaviest east of 77. So that's a little harbinger of what's to come.
Okay.
Definitely something to watch.
Wow. All right, Betsy. Thanks a lot.